Hi. Let's solve a puzzle. There is a river with a wooden raft in it. On the left side of the riverbank, 4 people are standing. 2 are adult workers and 2 are children. The puzzle is to move all 4 of them from one side of the river to the other. But there are some rules to follow. Let's see the rules. Rule number 1 says that the raft can hold a maximum of 1 worker or 2 children. And rule number 2 says that everyone can row. Okay. Before I solve the puzzle, pause the video and try it yourself using pen and paper. Then come back and check if your answer is correct or not. Let's start. First, we will send 2 children to the other side. One child will come back. Now, an adult worker will go alone. The rule says that the raft can hold a maximum of 1 adult worker or 2 children. So this worker has to go alone. Now, the child will come back. Again, both children will go to the other side. One child will come back. Now, the adult worker will go alone. One child will come back. Now, both the adult workers are on the other side of the river. Finally, we simply have to transfer the 2 children to the other side. And bingo! We have solved the puzzle. Thanks for watching.